Today I'm gonna replace the oil cooler housing O-ring on my 2011 Nissan Xterra. It's leaking. Took off the skid plate, goes underneath here. It's a few bolts, 10 millimeters. And then you can get up into the oil filter area. Thought the oil filter was just leaking, it wasn't tight, but changed my oil and tightened it up and it's still leaking. It looks like it's coming from the back. So I'm gonna change, there's a gasket behind this. So I'm gonna change that oil cooler gasket. Here's the gasket here. Got this from Napa, it was like $7 or something, $7 or $8. So first thing you need to do is take the oil filter off. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, once you get the oil filter off, you're gonna want to take off this bolt. It's a 22 millimeter socket. Let's stick that on there and we'll be able to get to the back of the gasket. Got the bolt out. Try to get a video here of it. So here's the oil cooler and the gasket's back here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it off, clean it all up, and then stick the new one in. And that'll go back up there. I got this all cleaned up. Put the new gasket in. It just sits in here. Let me see if I can try to do it one-handed. There we go. So that goes in there. Flat. Get the bolt back in. And this was not very tight when I took it off. Good. Okay. All right. That's it. It's back on. So I'm probably gonna go drive it around, or fire it up at least, and then see if it still leaks. And then I'll put that skid plate back on, and that was it. Honestly, took maybe start to finish, probably like 10 minutes total. So it's not a hard job. It's kind of awkward to get your hand in there a little bit, but it's not too bad. Hopefully that fixes it.